Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Microsoft Power Automate for Dynamics CRM Alerts detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, log in to your Microsoft Power Automate account. Once logged in, navigate to the main dashboard. In the left sidebar, click on Create. Select Automated Cloud Flow from the available options. Name your flow, for example, Dynamics CRM Alerts. Then choose your After setting the trigger, click on Create. Now, you will configure the trigger parameters. Choose your Dynamics 365 organization from the drop-down menu. Next, select the specific entity you want to monitor for new records. For instance, you might choose leads or opportunities. After selecting the entity, locate the New Step button and click it. In the search bar, type Send an email. Choose the Send an Email V2 action. In the To field, enter the email addresses where you want alerts to be sent. Customize the subject field to notify recipients about the new record. In the Body section, include details about the record. You can use dynamic content from the previous trigger to personalize this message. Next, click on the Save button at the top right to save your flow. After saving, navigate to the My Flows section to view your new flow. To test your flow, create a new record in the selected Dynamics entity. Monitor your email to see if you receive the alert as intended. If everything works correctly, your setup for Dynamics CRM Alerts is complete. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.